because that's how I believe you stay young and healthy. Now my background in training is in judo and weights, so I can assure you guys, I've had my fair share. As a GP in England for nearly 30 years, I've always tried to help my patients when they get similar problems by showing them that exercise aids recovery. Now today, I want to share some secrets with you about how to recover from back pain. Now we've all had it, that low down niggling pain, bores into your back, makes you get out of a chair and walk around like an old person. I've had it, you've had it, we've all had it. Now, the secret of getting over this is to use exercise. First, just to say, if you get a really horrible pain that won't go with rest, makes you feel ill, then you ought to go see a doctor, as he might order a scan. What I'm talking about today, guys, is that straightforward low back pain associated with wear and tear, sprains and strains. You know, you go to your doctor and he says, oh, here's some painkillers, and maybe sends you to physio. Well, there is a better way, and I'm going to share some of my secrets. Now, the key to success with exercise, with low back pain, is to concentrate on those core muscles that help your central stability and help your posture. Now I'm talking about your abs, your hip flexors and your back extension muscles, because they really splint your spine. Now the first exercise to do is for your incline abs, but I'd like to say first that you need about 48 hours rest before you start doing exercise, just to let the body start to recover. Then, about half an hour before you start the training, you should rub in a good anti-inflammatory gel or spray, as that will really help to ease the pain both during the exercise and afterwards. Right, these are the abs you've got to concentrate on first, and I'll show you how to do that on this bit of kit that's all the local gyms have. What you need to do is just lower yourself slowly back on a count of 1, 2, 3, and then as you come back, just go towards the opposite knee. Then go back again, 1, 2, 3, and then forwards to the opposite knee. And do that for 10 reps. You'll feel the back muscles stretching out with your own body weight. Now I usually do this with a weight behind my neck, but when your back hurts, that's really a bit too much. I've taken the shirt off just so that you can see the muscles working, and I can feel those iliopsoas muscles here, which are getting a good stretch out, and those muscles go right through to the lumbar spine, the vertebrae and the discs. And you can see how my own body weight is acting like a form of traction, which is what they used to do years ago when you had bad back trouble. The next exercise is hanging hip flexors, and that again is a good core muscle exercise, and just hanging will help stretch out your back muscles and ligaments. When you're beginning, it might just be easier to lift up your hips like that, but when you get a bit better, you can do that. But if you do that, down, up, you can see how that really helps stretch out your back. The last exercise I want to show you is just to stretch out those back extension muscles, the erector spinae. And one way you can do this, even at home, is just lie on the floor, put your hands behind your head, and just stretch up. Down again, and stretch up. Down again, stretch up. Down again, stretch up. And if you just hold it at the top, that does a little bit more good. So if you did all those 3 exercises, one after the other, 3 sets of 10, that's going to really help your back pain. Well guys, I hope those exercises will help you, and I plan to put on a few more videos for other problems that I've suffered and I see my patients suffering with all the time. So until next time, laters.